Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm CP Certified Research Analyst. So I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. So anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So here we are updating some candlesticks pattern. We are going to complete that candlesticks pattern in this 14 days. So we have a lot of time. So that's why I make an initiative for teaching you something about candlesticks pattern. So anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So on our last video, we have seen that what is the strategy which is doji at the bottom. So now this video we are going to see the doji at the top. So when it forms, what are the criterias we have to follow and what should be the trading signal and everything we are going to see in this video. And again I tell you, anyone who new, kindly make subscribe my YouTube channel, and those who are, if you like this video, you share to your friends and comment on this video if you have any doubts. And if you have any other groups, you can share my videos to on your groups also. Thanks for sharing, those people who are already subscribed, and again thank you all. So this video I'm going to tell you about the strategy which is called doji at the top. So what I'm going to do that, so this is the strategy as per the candlesticks pattern. So this doji at the top, so we can use for a reversal and trend. So we know there will be three things we can do based on the candlesticks pattern. So sorry, two things. One is a reversal and another is continuation pattern. So here doji at the top, doji at top. So this is the pattern where we are finding out. So what are the if a doji is a single candle where the open and close are the same price, it has no real body. The upper and lower shadow can be longer or shorter. So that is the meaning of the exact doji. Again I tell you, a doji, it's a single candle. It looks like this. It looks like this, a single candle. The open and closing price are same, and there is a no real body, the body of the candle. So this is the body of the candle. There will be no real body, but there will be a wick. The wick may be short or long, so whatever. Okay, that is a called doji candle. And if the doji type of candles were forms on the highest level or lowest level, so based on that, so we have to find out the recognition, so whether the trend got reversed or not. Okay, so what is the criteria for the this particular this thing, the doji at the top? Uptrend must be in progress, so the stock must be in uptrend, and first day having big green candle, big green candle, and followed by next day should be the doji candle, doji candle. Okay, next day it must be a doji candle, and doji it must be inside the candle of the bigger candle or it above to the candle. For example, if doji forms here, that is okay, and inside the body, that is okay. So but here it broke the low, not okay. So that you have to understand, the doji must forms outside the above to the candle, previous green candle, that is also be okay, and the doji is inside the body of that particular candle, that is also be okay. These are the trend recognition and what we are going to do. So this is what green in candle, green candle, and next day the doji forms here, doji at the top, doji at the top, and the second one is, just a moment, the doji at the top. So this is also be the doji at top, and if next candle it forms and it crosses down below the candle of this low, that is the confirmation. Or another things, the green candle, the doji which forms at this higher level, so that is also be valid top of doji, and here also we are waiting for the sell below this, and we are putting the stop loss above here. So based on this particular doji at the top, okay, so what are the things we are following? The selling confirmation from the third candle which closes below the first candle. So we are taken three candles, so 1 and 2. The first candle is must be a green candle, and second candle must be a doji candle, and third candle should break below the first candle's low. There will be a confirmation on the sell part. Okay, using this particular technique, how we can do, if you are, so these are the things will not happen day by day, but it will happen on this particular doji at top or doji at bottom. So everything will happen on any individual stocks, but we have to track based on any scanner or screener you can use, and using the screener you can focus the stocks and you can follow it out, then you will be getting some good. So this is what 4-hour chart of Shriram Transport Finance, 4-hour chart. So as per my trading, so where I got this kind of trading opportunity, so you see that here there will be a doji. It is not exactly closing point, but it is a 2 rupees different, but it is a looks like doji, and this is a doji candle, valid doji. So what happened? So what are the things we are going to follow? Previous trend should be uptrend. Okay, just a moment. Previous trend should be uptrend. That's right. Yes, that is right. Previous trend is uptrend. That is okay. And before the doji candle, there will be a big candle. So that is also be right. Big green candle. And second one is doji, that it happened inside the real body. And what we are going to follow this thing, and what is the level for the trade? So this is the high and low, and 1303, and here what it made a high, it made a 1367. This is the this is the highest level, 1359 and 303. So this is the level we are going to market. Okay, 1303 is the lowest level and 1359 is the highest level. So this is what the level of this particular candle, and the doji confirms when the candle closes below the level. So here we got a sell signal. So here only we got a sell signal. So after 4 candles we got a sell signal. This sell signal triggers by 1303, and from here you maintain a stop loss of 59 points, or from 60 and minus 3. So almost you are taking a risk of 57 points. You are taking the risk and reward. So from 1303 the market fell down to 100 points. So even more down. So let's show you that value exactly what the value. So if you have seen, there will be a 1166 it made a low, where you sold the same by 1303. 1303 was your selling value, and stop loss 1359, and market made low 1166, where your stop loss not triggered after anywhere when your signal triggers. Maybe it may triggers here, but even though you before that you trigger yours, and you see that here high was 1359, here high was 1358. So here also not trigger your stop loss, and again the nice reversal from that particular point, again it's dropping down here also, but this is not a valid top, but this is the doji candle, where based on the doji candle. So when the market crosses below this level, there will be a clean downs. So we have to find out this kind of pattern when if any stocks which forms, so there will be a right opportunity to trade on that. So if any other stocks which forms this kind of pattern, so we do that thing by manually right now, but the same stock will, if you are having the screening and scanners, so you will be finding daily some stocks you will be seen. There will be a, so when see the top stocks which is moved more today or yesterday, what will be there, and Lupin, is there any formation at topmost level. So if you find this kind of reversal patterns, so you have the good chances to make more money on the particular based on this top of doji at the top. So that is working system and perfect method. So when you find that kind of trade opportunities, there will be a lot of pressure and a lot of profitability is there in this kind of trade opportunity. And again I find out some trade CESC forming, doji at bottom, and next 2 candles it broke above this high, and now right now, and the same stock is traveled by 20 points. This is what a previous strategy what we have already seen. So now when the doji forms at lower or top level, so there will be, and again you have seen that there will be a shooting star, and we will see on these things by next classes. Okay, how to use that shooting stars and everything. So we will see in the same by next live videos, and we are finding out the stock which forms any at highest level. So this is what our daily basis will check at any formation at topest level. Here you see that doji at the top, double doji which forms at the top level. So here you see that the 494.80 and next candle which forms 496. When it breaks below the low of 481 is your sell point. When the 481 broken, so you are sold the position and your stop loss for the 491. From there it fell down the maximum low of 447. So here there will be a daily basis candle, and again you see that, but this was not valid because of the previous trend is down. So that is also we have to remember. So what is going on? So we have some three criteria. Based on these three criteria, we have to follow the strategy that will give you nice result on intraday and even positional basis. So that is about this video. If you like this video, kindly like and share to your friends and comment on this video if you have any doubts. And we will see the same kind of videos on the next videos. So that's about this particular video. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much. Thanks for being with me, and thank you so much.